All right, boys and girls, welcome back to Cook's Place, working on a beautiful kitchen. Hell yeah, this one turned out just exquisite, beautiful. Put some jewelry on her today. She's really shining, showing her legs off today. Yeah, buddy, just beautiful. Omega cabinets, just beautiful. Light rails. Got light rail up underneath there. Some people call that under the counter molding. Big old beautiful refrigerator. Just beautiful. Crown molding to the ceiling. Just beautiful. Light rail. You can have your hell of a party in this kitchen. Beautiful island. Look at that hardware. Yeah, just beautiful. Big old island. Yeah. All right, y'all. Go check out Spencer over there at ProSource. He'll hook you up, sign you in one hell of a kitchen. You'll be satisfied and happy. You won't go wrong. He'll hook you up good. All right, y'all like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.